Once Hazrat Ali was requested that we are 10 men and we want to answer the same question separately. You said yes. He posed this question: knowledge is better or wealth? You answered, one, knowledge, because wealth has to be protected and knowledge protects you. 2, knowledge, because wealth is the inheritance of Pharaoh and Haman and knowledge is the legacy of the prophets. 3, knowledge, because wealth decreases by spending and knowledge develops. 4, knowledge, because wealth becomes obsolete by keeping it for a long time, but knowledge does not suffer any damage. 5, knowledge, because property is always at risk of theft, not knowledge. 6, knowledge, because the owner of money is sometimes called a miser, but the owner of knowledge is called generous. 7, knowledge, because it gives light to the heart, and wealth makes the heart hard. 8, knowledge, because Pharaoh claimed to be God with abundance of wealth, but with abundance of knowledge. The Holy Prophet said, I could not worship you as it was your right to worship. 9, knowledge, because many enemies are created with wealth, but with knowledge every kind of love is obtained. 10, knowledge, because wealth will be counted on the day of resurrection, but knowledge will not be counted. A person asked you that if a person is locked in a house and all its doors are closed, how will sustenance reach him? You answered where his death will come from. Once a non-believer, while getting ready for Asr prayer, asked you which animals lay eggs and which ones give birth. The intention was that they would describe all the animals, and the time for congregational prayer will be over. He said that the animals with inside ears lay eggs and those who are outside give children. A person asked you whether man is free or forced. He said, raise one of your legs. He picked up. Then he said, now lift the other leg as well. He showed compulsion. He said that this is the only example of free and forced.